Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So today I got one of these little Master Lock VLines. This was a gift from Elroy. So get a little mini pop. All right. See how rusty I am. See how long it takes me to get a little 3-pin done. I think these are a 3-pin. I mean, I would assume they are. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, screw it, that'll work. Hey, there we go. Little Master Lock V-Line. Thank you so much, Elroy. All right, so I'm gonna be spending more time in the lab. I need to get back to picking. Somehow I managed to get past the first round of the Opal challenge. So like I need to start practicing. That and I miss you guys. I miss the community. I really do. So this is me just jumping back in. So thank you so much to everybody that likes, comments, subscribed. Thank you so much for sticking around. Yeah, I'm gonna go back through the lock wall and slowly kind of chip away at everything on the wall and some of the locks that I have up top, and yeah, just have some fun with it. Get back to just picking and having fun. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later.